In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API keys and tokens for Trello. By the end, you'll have a working API key for your Trello integration, and you'll understand where tokens come into play so you can move forward with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and making sure you're signed in to your Trello account with the workspace you plan to use. In the address bar, go directly to trello.com/powerups/admin. This is Trello's developer area for power-ups and custom apps. Going straight to the URL is faster and avoids any confusion in search results. On the Power-Ups admin page, look for the option to create something new and select it. You're essentially creating a lightweight app container. Even if you're not planning to publish a power-up, this is the place Trello provides to generate and manage your developer credentials. You'll be asked to enter an app name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects the project or integration you're building so you can recognize it later. Next, select the workspace that will own this app. Pick the workspace where you have the right level of access. If you collaborate with a team, choose the shared workspace so others with appropriate permissions can help manage it. Provide a contact email that you actively monitor. Trello may use this to reach you about app-related matters. Then add the author name. This is just the display name that identifies who's responsible for the app. When everything looks good, create the app to open its settings. Inside the app settings, find the section for API credentials. Click to generate a new API key and confirm when prompted. Trello will produce a long string. That's your API key. Copy it right away and store it securely. Treat your key like a password. Don't share it publicly. Don't paste it into screenshots, and never hard-code it into client-side code. Instead, use environment variables or a secrets manager. If you ever suspect it's exposed, come back here and regenerate a fresh key. A quick note on how this works. The API key identifies your app to Trello's API, while a token authorizes a specific Trello account to act. Once your key is set, you can obtain a user token from the same developer area when your integration needs to perform actions on behalf of a user. You'll review and approve the requested permissions during that process. That's it. You navigated to the developer portal, created an app, and generated your API key. Keep your credentials safe, document where you stored them, and you'll be ready to start building with Trello's API.